Sorry guys, I had a cough. I don't want you guys to get that on camera. But I'm such a foodie. I could literally sit here. I could eat so much food. It's ridiculous. I'll probably go through like a Subway sandwich and watch a mukbang at the same time. I mean, that's kind of the little secret to the mukbangs. I'm sorry for my messy closet. I just recently moved into a new apartment, so we just moved in, and probably a couple weeks before the whole quarantine happened. Still getting settled in, and yeah. I swear, it's legit like that sweet onion sauce. It's the best thing about Subway sandwiches. In my opinion, definitely super good. First time trying it with bacon too. Give it like that smoky taste. Man. Extra good. I'm also gonna crack open these chips too. I don't have too much wrapping up here, so. I like eating from the bag, but I don't know if anybody's a headphone user. I don't know how loud bags can be. Last time you see those chips, you can see the orange little corner on the side. Okay. These are also very new to me too. I do not eat sun chips, so when I saw them, I was like, okay, I'll be cool. You know, we gotta turn it up. Some Louisiana, a little bit much popped out there. Oh my god. I'm gonna relax. So I'm gonna burn off my mouth. I only got this essential water, and I got this applesauce, and I don't think that applesauce is gonna kick it. Okay. Valentina and some sun chips is an interesting taste for sure. I bought Louisiana on hot sauce and Valentina and everything, mixed with half Puerto Rican, by the way. And yeah, I'd probably be slamming some Doritos like that, but I don't know about sun chips. But that's gonna bring us to our next sandwich. So now I'm gonna try. Should we try the buffalo chicken, or should we try the egg? You guys get to get the first bite. I know that's a big thing. So should we go with the buffalo chicken or the egg? I know some of y'all are looking at the cookies. We're not going with the cookies right now. I'm thinking, let's go with the egg sandwich because it's calling out to me. Now this one only has this Chipotle Southwest on there because there should be a lot of sauce on egg anyways. I don't even think there should be any type of sauce. Excuse me. And we have the egg, lettuce, red onions. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. That's what happens when you eat Subway. It's gonna get your stomach bubbling. I'm gonna get a little bit of water in. That's another thing too, guys. I'm not really too ashamed. I mean, I'm sure I'm just gonna have these little moments where I'm gonna be gouging out a little bit, but I don't really care. Cause if y'all are watching for the food eating, like you gotta just. I'll try to keep it clean. I'll keep the napkins and hand sanitizer clean and sanitized. But you're gonna get some moments, okay? I'll try to restrict them for you once I get into my little editing. And then this one has the green peppers on it too. Bell peppers. I'm not really a big fan of bell peppers. I think this one has like the most amount of toppings that I haven't had. But I just figured that they all go with egg. I've seen them in like other menus. So, and then I got it on the wrap. It's so good with the wrap. See, that's one of those moments that you guys gotta forgive me though. They snuck in some steak in this too, because I just see it. It's like an egg burrito, man. It's an egg burrito, you know, we got some hot sauce. And some chips. I usually go for the chips. Crazy, man. Damn, them crumbs be flying. Alright, that was pretty bomb though. I think it's an egg cheese mistake. There's definitely a lot of cheese flavor in there. I think I added cheese to it. I don't think I put Parmesan or nothing on it. But, I mean, damn, that's bomb, especially with the steak. Okay, so bud. Oh, see, I thought it was the ham one, because I usually get the ham one. And I had the screenshots of everything, and I was going to show it to you guys. But, I'm recording on my phone, like a dummy. I got a 6-inch of this. 6-inch of the buffalo chicken, and then I got a foot long of the grilled chicken one I have. And I have a meatball marinara one. I might make a second video later if I have enough room, because it's unbelievable how much I can eat, regardless of how skinny I am. And yeah, I don't know. I might eat that later. I might eat that tomorrow. Definitely thinking about doing a cereal one for you guys tomorrow. They need to have like a hot sauce option. Like I already have Chipotle Southwest on this, but I should have started with hot sauce. What's this kind of? I'm getting through this video pretty fast, so I'm trying to speed it up with the eating. That shit was good. That was actually really bomb. I'm probably gonna be ordering like 2 more of those by tomorrow. I'll take another chip in. This one's looking pretty saucy. Soggy. Definitely soggy. I also brought a water bottle too, just in case you guys want to hear those sounds. But I just decided right now I'm probably going to do a couple more slurping sounds and then try and fill it up a little bit so you can hear some of that water bottle. That was like half unintentional. Let's try the applesauce. I know it's been looking out in the corner. I've never had any of their, their applesauce. Unsweetened. It always sits there in the window and sits in the background and you look at it and you're like, if I was 6 again, and some of y'all are young, but okay, little pop-off. Let's see. I want you guys to see like the applesauce so you can see what it looks like inside. So bear with me. I'm not like a crazy combo fan, but you guys can just check out a little bit too much of applesauce in the cookie, but it's a cookie, chocolate chip cookie with some applesauce on it. Okay. Applesauce was pretty sweet. The cookie is just a regular Subway cookie. No spoon necessary. Just remove the cap, squeeze, and enjoy. Applesauce is a gluten-free product. Visit our website at notsponsored.com. I want y'all to know, there's this gigantic spider, 2 of them, that are in my window, and they're in the windowsill, and the, and like the screen, they're on the inside. I don't know how the hell they got in there, but they got in there, because I'm like kind of in like a big apartment building. They're scary, man. I don't play with spiders. I do not play with spiders. It's just staring at me in the big corner of the room, so I'm a little freaked out. So if y'all see me looking out in the corner of the room, and if I don't come out alive after this video, y'all know what happened. That spider got me. I ain't gonna let it get me, so. Chocolate chip cookie is bomb too. All really good stuff. And I'm not by no means messing around. I really am a foodie. I will eat everything on the table. They used to call me Trash Can Joey in middle school, and not because I was tossing the trash can. I used to sit at the lunch table and I would eat like most of the scraps of things that people didn't want. Like if they didn't want like the rest of their Doritos or Cheetos, or if they didn't want their last pizza, I threw up my hand. I want this? Yes. Okay, this buffalo chicken is gonna scare me because it's a little spicy. First one. I'm trying to wipe off my hands, guys. I'm gonna click this real quick because my battery's dying. Okay. I'm going to have a little bite of the buffalo chicken. It's really good. It's just I could taste a lot of vinegar in the buffalo sauce. It's definitely a little intense. And I guess I put a little bit of chili Southwest, so it's gotten really, really spicy. Plus, there's jalapenos on here. But I mean, look at this bite, guys. I didn't even let you guys have the first bite of the last one, did I? Damn. I'm just shitty, huh? I don't even know if I can cuss. Should this video get demonetized anyways? Oh my gosh. So good. So good, yeah. I'll give you guys a bite of the cookies, for sure. Me and this one napkin, man. We're having a power struggle over here. Okay, and now for the segment of where some of you guys like when there's no talking, I'm gonna just cool it down just a little bit, just so I can eat, speed up a little bit, and yeah, finish this off. There's the last piece of chicken in here. I'm just gonna take a bite of that, because the rest of it is just sauce that's like soaked in my breath. I'm so sorry. Hopefully you guys didn't see that. Or if you did, hopefully you could respect me for being a savage with eating all this food. I'm trying to be a savage at least. Nothing I don't do on the regular. Okay. finish the cookie, and you guys can have the next 2 bites of the cookie, just to be fair. I'm gonna cut you off a half. Oh, and a fun fact about me, I love wearing frames on my eyes. I don't know, it is not a style that anybody invented besides me, but I take old glasses and I knock out the lens and I like to throw them out. And I just talked about giving you guys the next 2 bites of these damn cookies. I could not get it right. Here's a bite of the milk. Oh, there's your bite. You was hungry, huh? You just had to take that right out of my hand. You was really hungry for that cookie. I'm so sorry that I didn't give it to you the first time. Goddamn. And look at it, it's falling apart. I'm getting a little spicy in here, so I'm gonna choke down some of this water. I'm gonna try and get these chips too. So good. Without the hot sauce. With the hot sauce, it's a little good. Not my favorite. I probably doused everything in just like the hottest Southwest and hot sauce bit. But I'm gonna count around. Okay. Here's your real bite. What you've been waiting for this whole video, out of everything else that I just devoured, was a cookie. Just threw that in your face. While I eat this last cookie, I'm gonna try and fill it because I already committed by saying I was gonna do it. Try and just throw in the water for y'all. There's nothing else in here. It's not a sponsored water bottle, nothing like that. I wish I was that cool. If you want to sponsor me, hit me up immediately. We'll start throwing these up. I'm going to try and make videos for you every day. Of course, that's going to be a task, especially with work. So I'm probably going to at least upload videos 3 times a week. At least around this time, around 6 p.m., 7 p.m. So if you're looking to tune in, you're trying to find somebody new to watch, I would love to be that person. I'd love to be that person that you either keep in the back of your playlists, or you watch a little bit, or you just watch to mock me. But at least get my good side, okay? You got white background, so if you edit me into anything, make me look good. Oatmeal. This has to be like a pecan or almond. I really don't know my cookies well. I'm a really good like salty person, but I don't know what cookie. White chocolate, white macadamia. I think. Lord. Okay. I do have one last sandwich. I think it's only fair that I share it with you guys, and especially with you guys joining me. I love to give you guys the last bites of the night. I'm gonna eat. Promise you, sweet onion. Oh my god, bacon too, man. And this is how we'll always finish off the videos, or at least try to. I'm gonna chug down some water, Not for any crazy reason, just because I usually forget to drink all the water during my food because I'm so much more invested in eating than I am drinking. So I'll try and give you guys at least some mouth sounds and liquid sounds at the end. Yeah. Well, congrats, guys. You made it through my first YouTube video. I made it through my first YouTube video, which is super exciting. Yeah, I'm just really happy to be here. I really want to invest myself and meet a couple more of you people and, you know, do whatever I can with hand sanitizer. To entertain you guys. Obviously, it's a little harder for me to talk about things and be a little bit more natural at hand when I'm first making my video, but I am definitely going to be that next person that you can enjoy watching. I love reading comments. I got time. I'm such a media head, so leave me comments, like and subscribe. Really come check me out. I'd love to hang out with you guys, get to know you, and you guys get to know me, and we get to eat food together, and I can show you guys a bunch of wild things. I'm going to tell you guys a bunch of wild stories because I have some wild stories. I didn't tell one today, but I'll definitely tell you guys some crazy stories if I get some people watching. So, anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. And yeah, bye.